organisms and everything around them is made up of matter. In other words, matter is the physical stuff of our universe. A more formal description of matter is that matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. So mass is the amount of matter in an object. For example, the Earth's mass is 5.972 times 10 to the 24 kilograms. On our planet Earth, matter exists in 3 different forms, as a solid, a liquid, or a gas, and each one of these forms has unique characteristics. This is due to the fact that even though all states of matter are made of the same particles, these particles behave differently in each state depending on the energy. Let's look at a solid, a liquid, and a gas in turn and compare how the unique arrangement of particles in these states of matter results in their different properties. The particles in a solid form a regular pattern, giving the substance a fixed shape and volume. Solids cannot easily be compressed. Particles in a liquid do not form a regular pattern, but instead they move freely past each other. Liquids have a definite volume, but no definite shape. Instead, they take the shape of their container and they can be somewhat compressed. Particles in a gas are loosely spaced and do not form a regular pattern. Instead, they move freely past each other at high speeds. Gases have no definite shape or volume and will fill the container to capacity. Gases are readily compressible. Matter is made up of elements, substances that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical reactions. Scientists have identified 118 elements, but only 92 elements occur naturally on Earth. The remaining elements are unstable and made in a laboratory. Each element is identified on the periodic table by a 1 or 2 letter symbol called a chemical symbol. Of the 92 naturally occurring elements, 25 are essential to living things. 4 of these, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen, make up about 96% of the weight of most cells. Some of the other essential elements include copper, zinc, and iron. These are known as trace elements because they're needed in minute quantities. However, even though trace elements are required in very small amounts, you cannot live without them.